Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about all of the cyclones that are happening around the world, and we're going to start with the West Pacific. Currently in the West Pacific we have Typhoon Podal. It is currently headed towards Taiwan eastern shore. Right now it has winds of 74 miles an hour, which would be the equivalent of a category 1 hurricane. It has been traveling in a west-northwest direction at 12 knots. It is currently forecast to hit the island of Taiwan on the 13th of this month. It is currently forecast to have winds of about 98 miles an hour when it does make landfall on the island of Taiwan. Once it crosses the island of Taiwan, it is expected to be a tropical storm, a very strong tropical storm, as it then makes a second landfall in China. So if the forecast track holds true, it will make its first landfall in Taiwan on the morning of the 13th and its second landfall in the evening of the 13th in mainland China. The next storm we're going to talk about is in the Central Pacific, and it is Hurricane Henrietta. Hurricane Henrietta is currently 660 miles north of Honolulu, Hawaii, and it currently has winds of 80 miles an hour. It is headed in a northwest direction at 17 miles an hour, and it is expected to stay on that track through Wednesday and then turn a little to the north-northwest at a slower speed. It is not expected to impact land and should stay out to sea. The third storm we're going to talk about is in the Atlantic, and it is Tropical Storm Erin. Tropical Storm Erin is right now currently 560 miles west-northwest of the Cabo Verde Islands. It is moving west at about 22 miles an hour. It is forecast to become a Cat 3 hurricane later this week. Its current track will take it very close to the northern Caribbean islands. It doesn't seem as if it will impact any of the islands at this time, but that is not assured. Its current track could also take it very close to the Bahamas or Bermuda. Its current track right now is keeping it away from any land. We will have to watch and see what the track says Sunday or Monday. Then we will know if it's going to curve northward and miss the Bahamas and the US East Coast. But if it stays on the current track and does not curve north, then there's a very good possibility that it could impact the US East Coast. Everyone on the US East Coast and the Bahamas and Bermuda should be paying close attention to this hurricane to see where it's going to go. Well, that's it for now. Typhoon Podal and Tropical Storm Erin are two storms to watch closely, and I will be back with more updates if there's a change in status. See you in the next update.